To enable picture in picture on your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. You're going to open up the settings app. From here, you're going to scroll and select apps. Then you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose special access. From here, you're then going to look for picture in picture and select it. And then you should see all the apps that are currently supporting picture in picture that are installed on your phone. So to ensure that the app you want to use picture in picture is enabled, just go ahead and just tap on the toggle to ensure that it's turned on. Now you can go ahead and open up the specific app, say for example YouTube, and then you can start playing a video. So let's say for example, you have highlights playing. All you need to do now is simply navigate to the home screen and you should be able to see the video still playing as you continue. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.